Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Bitcoin on Venmo. First, if you're looking for an inside video tutorial, this is not the video for you, or inside app tutorial, it's not the video for you because I'm outside the US and I cannot access Venmo at the moment. So if you're okay with that, all you need to do, of course, just go and log in into your account. Once you logged in into your account, now how to buy cryptocurrency on Venmo and specifically Bitcoin. So all you need to do, you'll have to go and click on the crypto tab. Where you'll find that, so as an example, this is an interface of Venmo. As you can see, you'll find crypto right here. So just go and click on that. So once you do so, select the preferred cryptocurrency. In our case, it's going to be Bitcoin, and they will update the display current price every few seconds. So if somehow, which is I don't think possible, Bitcoin crashes from big amounts to $1, you'll be able to see it within a few seconds. So enter the dollar amount for your purchase, hit the review button, and then your app will show you a breakdown of how much of the cryptocurrency you're about to buy. So, for example, if you pay, I don't know, $10,000, somehow they will show you that you'll get, I don't know, maybe 2 points or 0.2 of Bitcoin. So, along with any fees, if you get any fees or if you're going to get any fees, they will show you as well. So, tap on the buy to complete the purchase. Remember, crypto purchases are final and cannot be reversed. You'll have your Bitcoin and you cannot reverse it. So you can use your Venmo balance, your bank accounts, or your debit card to buy crypto on Venmo. And at this time, you cannot use credit card or your Venmo credit card to make these purchases. What are the limits existing for buying crypto on Venmo? It's going to be $20,000 in cryptocurrency purchase per week. And there's also limits of 50,000 purchase in 12 months period in a year. You are also limited to 25 per week in crypto transfers if you want to transfer crypto. So why is there an exchange rate for crypto and etc.? All of the information. If you want to read them out, you can pause the video and read this out by your own. So that's going to be for this video, or this is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.